without eating shit. I don't know.
I'm not running. I already almost fell.
Holy shit. This is way worse.
Frank, you're getting that main building.
Well,
You good?
this doesn't do anything.
It doesn't do anything.
I just know where to shoot from.
Oh, is it your first time here?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's nothing in there. Let you know now. You're welcome. Oh, that's a lot of people. You all right?
Yeah, I'm dead.
Ten. 20. 30. Oh, I dropped that in the mud.
I'm already getting misspeed. This is excellent.
Already?
Yeah. Good thing I brought a gun that actually works. Just in case. Stop on the boat!
Shots coming from somewhere. I'll get him.
Hi, buddy.
Hi, buddy. Then it's our guys, right? Yeah.
I should have brought my fucking 240.
20.
That sounds fun.
MG42 is still up.
30.
What do you want me to do? We're working with that one fucking beer, that wooden beer.
Well, you got someone across the way.
You get that fucking dude in the window? The bar, yeah, even have a rest anyway. He's probably got loudenser in his gun.
Hell yeah. If it's loud, you might as well keep going.
Oh, I see where he's firing from.
You get walking around.
We got someone across the way about the yonder.
Okay.
So watch yourself, he's shooting us up right now.
Switch to MCX after this. This gun's acting up.
Yeah, we're getting a few of those today, aren't we?
Gun! Marshall, keep him pinned!
Ricky, to your left.
I don't wanna.
What? Good.
Mr. Man at the black.
I hope you die.
He's still over there.
Medic.
Who's hit?
Medic.
Oh, shit. Whoa.
That's real, huh?
Got him. Guy on the left is down. All right.
Oscar, I'm moving back to your possession.
Yeah, the guy on the left is down. I got him. Run, dude. There's 2 or 3 in the fort still, I think. I think we're winning this one so far.
Yeah, we got about 3 minutes left.
Yeah.
Anybody down in here? We good? I'm good right now.
What's wrong with you? Is that your second one? All right, are you dead? I think you're dead, right? All right, leave the field, walk to the rock over there. Go around if you gotta.
Yeah, it must be
Go.
messing me up.
Either go all the way left or go all the way right.
I'm innocent.
No, you're not.
I only killed 2 people.
Geneva suggestions.
I'm innocent, dude.
Mike, you're the most innocent of all. Oh, you're down.
Yeah.
Oh, you're up.
That's it for me.
Not anymore.
Whoa, shit. Coming up on you!
So they can see our move. We are just distracted and all in circles. They focus on us, they're exposed
Oh, this is bad. Hi, guys.
Hello.
They're not friendly in that building, man.
Yeah, no shit.
Oh, you knew, sorry. You good?
Yeah.
Did we win that one? Wasn't too sure. Those MGs are brutal on both sides.
I fucking.
Was that your LMG?
This was the worst.
Holy shit.
I know, right?
Scared the hell out of me. 2, 1, go, 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 go!
I'm not ready.
Move, move!
Oh, the muck. Oh, I almost slipped. Oh, shit. Oh, it's worse in here. Objective, survive. Get down to the garage doors. 2 garage doors. Three or 4 garage door? Yeah, 3 garage door, 1 behind him on the tree. That thing sounds sexy.
When it works, yeah, it's great.
I'm empty.
Everything else I own, it's giving me issues.
I'm just about empty on my mag.
I ain't got much.
Which sucks because this thing ran flawlessly last open play when it was HPS.
That's some,
Yeah, it's a little soupy.
Oh, I like these mag pouches.
Smells like Taco Bell.
Ooh, I need to set the Velcro up on these though. Apparently. Damn. That was a mistake on my part.
We got 3 movement in the tree.
Come on, there we go.
Hey, watch creek.
Really?
Can you swap out with me?
Fucking dry fires.
I got it.
Watch creek. 3 moving.
The wind is taking it, but the hop up's pretty good right now. Oh, you got hit. Either me or by that guy. You said 3 creek? Yeah, I got someone in creek right there. You got 2, I see.
2 down at garage door.
2 in creek.
Oh yeah, got eyes.
Don't get really a good shot though. Oh, he's hit. 1 down. All right. Sorry. 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 Got 1 more. Got 1 more over there, Mike. He's going back. No, he's staying in.
Oh yeah, I see him. I see him.
Oh, got him. All right, got you. All right, 3 down. Nice. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Do you have the checklist?
I got bullets. We're gonna need them for the
Those are on
checklist.
the checklist. But that is not the checklist.
Good, Jaden? Get out of here. You're in the way. You're still in the way.
Move, salami boy.
I don't think there's anyone else down there, but I'm just being sure.
Now we get a little bit more cover. Welcome to the Alamo. We got fun and games.
Well,
That sounds like
got 1 more. 1 more coming, River. I think he's a bit out of my range.
I might have you on that. What do you got?
See him?
Yep, I see movement.
Got you. Swatch with you.
I don't think so. What kind of can I have?
There's no way. I'm just, the wind's taking my BBs.
It'd be a good day to be a saw just because you can just walk it onto the target. 1 moving right.
Oh, we got 1.
Moving.
Oh,
Right side of
we
the
got
trees. He's out of the valley. He's up on on the flat ground, but I lost visual.
I got no visual. By the one building over there?
Nah, he's not even like the back.
Oh, he's out. He's kind of in between. I got negative on movement.
There's 2 down, my 12, 1 down to the left there still.
Yeah, I got nothing still.
There's 3 down in Valley.
Yeah, when we eviscerated them.
Yeah, they're fucking toast.
That guy's mad at us, and I don't really care. Oh, is he an enemy? Is that Jaden? Oh, hey, you scared the crap out of me, dude.
Fuck you, battle buddy.
I love you. Also, fuck you.
I love the fuck you. Wait.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Say that for afterwards. Whoa, what is that? Oh, it's a chain.
I stood on that crate. That's from me.
Oh, why'd you do that?
Because I thought it was strong enough.
You were wrong, apparently.
Yeah, I was so.
You're 6'4" ass or whatever, however tall you are.
My foot went through that, and then I like fucking fell over the round.
Oh, he's responding.
Oh, dude, there was a good one a couple weeks ago to the open play.
Yeah, good hit.
Yeah, no, we're trying to hold the fucking Alamo. We're doing like some bastard version of Gears. We're doing kill confirm.
Yes.
Oh, we fucking Nick and Ricky were right on the other side of this wall. I just dropped a grenade over it, and they just stood there and watched.
They're like, well, this is my fate now.
Because I put it right here. I'm like, anybody in this building needs a grenade. It's right here.
And Nick,
made.
and Nick is yelling something. I was wondering if it's the timer.
They have the timer now.
That's what I'm saying. What was he saying about the timer? I don't know either. That's what I'm asking.
I didn't hear game over.
Me neither.
The war crimes continue until surrender is achieved.
Surrender or death. Wait.
Why? Dude, me and him
Hey, Mike.
out like 4 people over the
Oh, he's hit. Okay, never mind.
I have a funny feeling we're outnumbered like.
Well, we just walked like 3 of their guys off, so.
Sir, they have us surrounded. Excellent. That's an
Perfect.
situation.
What are you doing up here?
Coming to visit.
Oop, I need to go get my screwdriver apparently.
Where's it at?
This came
Oh,
loose.
they're back there. Oh,
Yeah.
they're in the floor.
Okay, that guy, hey Mike, that guy you're talking about that's at the building over there, he's down.
Is he down?
Yeah, he has the dead red on his side. Somebody else got him.
Shoot him again.
No, it's our guy right there. I thought you were talking about him. I was like, no! We need him to kill our enemies. That's our guy.
Can my head fit through this?
I can make your head fit through that.
Challenge accepted, my friend. What?
Yeah?
That's our guys, yeah, it should be.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it should be our guys.
Oh, son of a bitch. I've been suppressing our own team.
Yeah, I thought that was us. I thought that was Nick.
Good job.
Friendly fire.
Remember, friendly fire isn't.
Yeah,
Shoot that guy right in the back.
that's our guy.
I'm gonna shoot you.
Wait, way back there. Oh, I'm totally gonna get shot in the face.
Don't stand there. I'm like,
God, you guys all have zip ties on your gun. I don't.
It was the chrono approval, so.
Yeah, they didn't zip tie me.
They knew you needed it for your Geneva suggestion.
They're like, yeah, just let him.
Should we push or just sit? I mean, we're the only ones in here now, so. We're all just crowding on the second step. Yeah, my rail scales are falling off.
Huh?
I need to tighten this down properly.
Oh, that is cool.
These are the real steel ones. I like them. I saw them on like a real gun. I was like, I need those now.
Yeah, see, I thought I was cool because I have a 3D printed tri-rail and it just makes my whole front end wobble.
At least you had
Because
something.
that's also the barrel clamp.
Well, I actually made a M4 buttstock for this and it broke.
Why would you want an M4 stock on that?
Because it allows for better battery.
I don't care.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Don't put an M4 stock on a fucking Scar. That is
I want the options, man. I mean, I have both. I'm not like swapping for the other. I'm just having options. I can't see anybody to shoot in the face. Yeah, this is fun. Yeah, we're done. I gotta adjust that. They must be over there towards the right. Yeah, they are. I see them.
you know what?
Let's do something different.
Move?
Yeah.
Are you blind?
How'd you shoot?
It wasn't blind firing because I could see.
See, I was like, that's really close there. Just saying.
Behind your gun, man.
Am I out?
No? Or you hit twice?
I think I'm out of ammo.
Oh, out of ammo. That's what you meant. You got one mag there, it looks like.
You see him?
Yeah, one's the rear.
Come on, no!
Where's that coming from?
My feet are stuck.
That way.
Oh, I see him. I got Caleb way in the back. with a machine gun. What are you doing?
The mag wasn't firing.
Oh, now it's firing. So face it the other way. God damn it, Jaden.
I'm moving up.
Well, it's just me, myself, and I back here. It's a good thing I brought my screwdrivers. Oh, they might be dead. How many are left? Oh shit. Oh, hit! Damn, where'd that come from? Medic!
No. I want to come save you, but I'm scared.
You should be.
I just saw a baby fly across.
Medic! Medic!
I'm coming.
I gotta yell medic though, it doesn't count otherwise. I'm not sure it was even it might have been a ricochet on my part.
Woo. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Slow down and just count in your head. I don't like that.
I'm not having fun anymore.
Why not? You miss me?
Somebody. I need air support or something.
There you go.
Thank you. All right, get back, because I think it was coming from the left. I'm not really sure.
Your Lord and Savior out of this place. Whew. What would you have done?
I would have shot you in the face. That's what it was.
Oh shit! I see where it's coming from. Far left.
Far, that way? Or that way?
That left.
Okay, I was like, which left are we speaking of? It's like, I was trying to leave Alamo, I guess. Oh man, my shoes are mucked up.
I just saw the...
By the building or in the creek? Damn.
Good day for airsoft, I said.
Where's it coming from, though? The building over there?
I think so. I just saw that's where the dude was flying from.
Is it Mike down? No, he's not. Oh, real shit.
Pushing up, you're pushing up.
Oh, I think I see the left.
Yeah, push up left.
Cool.